Good morning, friends. You welcome to the Crypto Day channel, and today I want to show you guys an arbitrage system, that allows you to, you know, buy BTC at a lower price from an exchange and sell at higher price on exchange. And this is a done for you system. It is done automatically. Okay, so you don't need to have multiple accounts or multiple exchanges all around the world. Because if you try to do that, you get burned out. All right. So this is an algorithm that has been written meticulously to do this for you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I made a video about how to make 1% of your capital every day, and this is the video about it here. Okay, so I've been sharing tons and tons of crypto content here. You know that this is just like a school for you as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, right here. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's increase number of subscribers to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. Okay, so then we have a lot of fun in the community. All right. So now, like I promised you guys on WhatsApp, on Telegram, okay, that I'm going to be making a video on how to get about this, okay. So, and right now I funded my account on Binance with 382.7, all right. So I converted this to Doge because the platform allows you to deposit. Let me connect back because the platform allows you to deposit in Doge. Before now, it used to be in BTC, because of the transaction fee that's now expensive. So they integrated the Doge payment gateway so that people can easily deposit with little amount of money as transaction fee, and it's a win-win for them. Okay, it allows more people. Imagine want to deposit $50 right now, and you are paying about $15 as fee. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so that's why they introduced Doge deposit on the platform. Okay, so let me go down. So I deposited this amount of money on Binance just for this purpose. Okay, so because if I have to teach you anything, I have to put in my money first. So that's quite important. So so I don't know why this is not loading up fast because I wanted to show you guys my withdrawal history because I actually withdrew Doge from Binance to this place and this platform. So let me show you the Doge that I have right here. I'm going to click on wallet. So this works in much the same way like mobile phone. So if you're using a mobile phone too, the interface is quite simple and easy to use. All right, so don't be scared about the interface. Anyways, it's quite easy to use. So I made this deposits. Okay, I deposited 2,708 Doge. So I paid 5 Doge as fee on their blockchain. So now, the next thing you want to do now is to come here because I didn't use Bitcoin as deposit. So I have to come here and change this to BTC. All right. So if you go by this standard now, let me copy this and check the current value of BTC in the global market. All right. So let me go to Google now. Okay, and check the current price. Oh, sorry about that. BTC USD price. Okay, so I want to check the BTC USD price. So if I should come here, I don't know why this is displaying. Okay, let me change this to USD. So I'll come here and change it to where is the USD? Aha, here is it. Okay, so this is the current price of this in the market now. So I should paste this here. This is about um 372.2. So between the time that I deposited and now I've lost some amount of money because of the current dip right now that's happening in the crypto space. All right, so I'm going to exchange all of this now. Exchange now. So it has been successfully converted to BTC. Okay, so there should be a reflection of that here. Okay, so now we're not having zero Doge, and now we're not having 0.101 whatever BTC. So if you are doing this kind of thing, the goal is to increase your BTC value. Okay, no, to increase your BTC amount, all right. So not the USDT value, because if you're doing this and you're completing BTC over and over again every day, so it means that by the time BTC actually gets back to 60,000, 80,000, 100,000, then you know you're making something decent for yourself. So when you're done with that, the next is to come here, because this is where the arbitrage actually takes place. So when you look at this now, this is the market, this is the parable market, and this is the sex.io market. So the price difference is okay, is this. So I'm always looking for an opportunity whereby the price difference is about 400. Okay, so I'm going to start because the price difference is, it makes sense for that. So I will start the next 4 hours. That will have been, you know, changed. So when you look at this point now, I'm expecting a profit about 3.55, right, from that transaction. So when you come here now and check, okay, the price difference I'm expecting now is this, all right, and this is my projected profits, which is how much? Okay, this is the net profit, because this guy are charging 30% fee on every arbitrage that you do on the platform. Okay, so you have to pay attention to that. Sorry, my voice may not be so loud because I'm in the middle of the night. Okay, so when you look at this now, I'm going to copy the net profits, come here, then I'll go back to this place and paste it. So this is what I'm expecting. All right. So if that is the case, the next 4 hours, I'm gonna come back to this platform. All right. I'm gonna come back to this platform and make sure that I make another arbitrage the next 4 hours. Okay. So if I keep doing this every day, all right, if I keep doing this every day, because we have um we have 6 hours, we have 24 hours in a day, and you can keep running these every four hours. So it means that I can do this like 6 times in a day, because if you guys know me very well, I'm usually online 247, and I don't sleep that much. So I can run this 6 times in a day. So I should do this 6 times in a day. So let me see my possible profit per day. So I'm going to copy this now and go to calculator. So I'm going to come here, then type calculator as usual, because I don't want to use the physical calculator. So I'm going to paste this here. So so 0 points. I don't have to type all of that. So let me look for a PC calculator to do that. I try to use the PC calculator now. So I think it's better to use the PC calculator. So I'm going to come here and paste it. Then multiply by 6. Sorry about that. Multiply by 6. That is 0.000572. So then I'll copy it again, copy it, then come back to this place and paste it. All right, so it means per day I should be getting this amount of profits per day. Okay, that is if you make sure that you are only capitalizing on price difference of about 400, 500. All right, so now that is my own case. I'm just trying to explain things for you to you guys. So now imagine that I am able to do this now, and I multiply this by 30, 30 days. So what's that? 0.017. So when I copy this, okay, and go back to the Google price and paste it, okay, so that is really decent amount of money for you guys every day. So once the opportunity present itself, make sure you take advantage of it. All right. So that is how the platform works. So my friends have been using it, and there's no complaint whatsoever about it. Okay, so withdrawal is quite easy. You can always withdraw with your Bitcoin address. So if you have this kind of profit at the end of the month, to pay the withdrawal fee is not going to be a problem at all. Okay, so just do it. you just be paying like 15, dollar to 600. That's not much in my own perspective. Um, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel because when more and more of this opportunity comes, I will definitely share with you guys. I promise. Um, what else you guys do about the platform? Nothing else. Okay. So don't forget to use my referral link. Okay, let me refer to this platform so that when you have any question, you can always ask me. Use my referral link. Don't click on fishy websites. Okay, don't just try to type this by yourself on Google. You can get fished on. So use an authentic URL so that you don't become a victim of phishing on the internet, right? So that is what I promise you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that take action. And don't forget to only invest the amount of money that you are willing to use, okay? Because this is legit so far, but then don't put all your eggs in a basket. Just like I told you guys on WhatsApp, don't put all your eggs in a basket. So that's it. So see you in another tutorial.